Did you know the top 1% of Americans hold more wealth than the bottom 90% combined? If that doesn't shock you, it should. I'm diving into the top wealth-building secrets you need to know right now, and I'm challenging myself to put them into action for the next 30 days. Ready? Wealth building isn't just for millionaires or financial experts. It's a step-by-step process anyone can start, right now. And if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, stick around. This could change your life. Let's be real. Most Americans weren't taught how to build wealth. Between student debt, rising living costs, and zero financial education in schools, it's no wonder 63% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck, according to a recent CNBC report. Many people believe they can't invest because they don't have enough. But wealth isn't about how much you make. It's about what you keep and how you grow it. Fear of the stock market, confusion around budgeting. Thinking investing is just for the rich. Those are the real roadblocks, but they're all fixable. Here's the truth. Building wealth is simple, but not always easy. Let me break down the top secrets the wealthy already know. Secret number 1. Automate your budget. Use the 50-30-20 rule. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for saving and investing. Tools like Mint or YNAB can help you track it automatically. The goal? Know where every dollar goes. Secret number 2, pay yourself first. The rich don't save what's left, they save first. Set up an automatic transfer to your investment or savings account the moment your paycheck hits. Secret number 3, invest in assets, not just effort. Stop trading time for money, start putting money to work. Stocks, index funds, real estate, REITs, or even a side hustle that grows. These are wealth machines. Secret number 4, understand compound growth. Albert Einstein called compound interest the 8th wonder of the world. If you invest $200 a month starting at age 25 with an average 8% return, you could have over $600,000 by retirement. Time is your biggest asset. Secret number 5, build multiple income streams. One job, that's one income. The wealthy often have 5 or more streams: stocks, real estate, businesses, royalties, even digital products. Diversify your income to build stability and speed. Want the real game changer? It's not flashy, it's not a viral stock pick. It's consistency. The people who build serious wealth don't jump from one trend to the next. They stick to a plan. They invest monthly. They track their net worth. They stay patient. Even Warren Buffett built 99% of his wealth after age 50 because he started early and stayed consistent. Wealth isn't built in a weekend, but the decisions you make today can create freedom for decades. So let's recap. Budget smarter. Invest sooner. Diversify your income. And above all, stay consistent. These secrets aren't just for the wealthy. They're for anyone ready to take control of their future. Your wealth journey starts with a single step. If you're ready to build a life of freedom and abundance, keep learning, keep growing. You've got this.